Upgrade your bathroom experience with standard-style pop-up drains D-703G, the perfect fusion of elegance and durability. Equipped with a built-in filter basket, efficiently trapping debris and safeguarding your valuables from slipping down the drain. Our pop-up drain fits standard sinkholes ranging. Experience the ease of installation with our user-friendly design. Built to last, our pop-up drain exceeds the industry standard 25,000 open-close cycles, ensuring it's designed to serve you for 30 years. Specifically designed for sinks without overflow, this pop-up drain is the ideal choice for both functionality and style. Our product is CUPC certified, meeting top North American plumbing standards for quality and safety.